A warm crumble cake rests on a matte plate, softly steaming. The knife tips in, breaking the crunchy top as tiny crumbs fall. A slice lifts to reveal glossy blackcurrant streaks and tender apple. We weigh each ingredient carefully for a perfectly balanced batter. Peel the apples in long ribbons under warm, gentle light. Slice neatly on the board, letting the pieces fan out. Tumble the slices into a bowl and brighten with lemon. Sprinkle sugar and a touch of vanilla. Fold calmly together. Pour in the blackcurrants so their juices mingle with the apples. Gently turn the fruit until purple swirls ribbon through. Let the fruit rest as the shine deepens and juices gather. Combine flour and sugar, then add cold butter for the crumble. Rub with your fingertips until sandy clumps start to form. You're looking for uneven golden flecks that feel light. Squeeze a handful. It holds, then crumbles softly apart. Line the tin and slide in the glossy apple currant mixture. Level the fruit so the juices glint across the surface. Sprinkle the crumble evenly from above for a light, airy finish. Tap the tin to settle everything and tidy the rim. Into the warm oven it goes, door closing gently. Set the timer, an easy bake while the kitchen ticks. Bake until the top turns golden and gently rugged. Let it rest on a rack as soft crackles whisper. Slice through the crumble. Sweet crumbs scatter like sand. Inside, translucent apple, inky currant ribbons and syrupy drips. Serve warm on a plate. Simple, comforting, and utterly lovely.